In this video, I will guide you on how to fix ChatGPT 504 Gateway Timeout error. The first thing you want to do is refresh your browser. So for that, you want to click on this refresh button and refresh it. Then check if your issue is fixed. Next, click on this icon. Here, click on cookies and site data. Then tap on device site data. Here you want to click on this trash icon and click on done. Again, you want to click on the same icon. Now you want to click on site settings. Here click on delete data and tap on delete. If that doesn't fix your issue, then you simply want to open Incognito Mode. For that, click on the three dots, click on Incognito Mode option. Here you want to search ChatGPT. Now over here you want to log in and check if your issue is fixed. If that doesn't fix your issue, then you simply want to wait for some time. Error 504 is often caused due to server related issues, so you simply want to wait until this issue is fixed itself. That's all for this video. If you found it useful, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more videos like this.